Wired that in there. Man of the hour. Always nervous around electricity. See,
Fucking electricity.
and I just jammed the plug in there, and we'll see where we're going here with this. Because he don't know what he's doing, and I don't know what I'm doing.
Clue.
Well, you turn the gauge.
I'm not seeing anything.
Oh, here's the on. You okay? I don't see any smoke. Turn it on. Quit being a pussy. There's a lot. There's a lot of fucking heat. I mean, those are coils in there. My fucking electric bill just jumped like 30%. I'm gonna have to take your raise away. Perfect. Oh, see it shut off. I see. I'm getting it now. It's calming down. We don't know if the polarity is good or not, but oh, heard a click, a loud click. Oh, see, it's just because it's sitting out in the weather so long. All you need is 220 volts. I would have went with 440, but somebody's a chicken shit. One thing about it, everybody loves your dumbass. This may not make YouTube, but if it does,
We'll see if it heats up.
yeah, we're playing with electrical again. Remember that machine? It's right beside that one. One of these days I'm going to buy the appropriate size motor for that, and we're going to go into business. Until then, we're just going to keep fucking around with electricity. Is there any heat in there?
Yeah, we got heat.
How much heat?
Well, right now it says 325.
Well, that's not bad for a couple of dumb shits on 4th of July. Oh, it smells like heat.
It does.
So is there anything you want to say to Ron?
Yeah, thanks, Ron. I appreciate this. It actually works.
It's kind of coming around.
Well, so far it works.
Yeah,
We don't know about the temperatures yet.
well, I'm pretty sure it's warmer in there than it is out here. And our local bar, the Ridge. Well, mention that. Not that we go down there as much as we should, but kind of consider him a friend.
120 degrees coming out of the den.
But this is going to be a new powder coat oven for a while. Because we're just trying to move forward. Every day. I can feel the heat coming out of there. Holy shit. And it smells like an old stove that ain't been run for a while.
This side is at 5.5. This side is at 2.5.
Yeah, might be a coil.
No light.
And we can fix a light. They screw them in and screw them out all the time, but I wouldn't do it while it's hot. But you do what you want.
Not gonna happen.
Sure. I thought the experience was over, but he's got metal shit where there's wire, and he's fucking with shit. He's scared of electricity, but he's jamming metal
Insulated.
into places. Oh, god damn it! That's it. That's all you got. Come on. Really?
Uh-oh.
You killed it all, didn't you?
I did.
See how he is. Now wire it back together while it's plugged in.
No.
Everybody loves your
But it
dumbass.
shut off.
You didn't kill it all. There's still a light on. See the pliers, metal, barely insulated, 220. It's all going to shit right now. He's gotten brave since, you know, when we started this project. He's all about power and maybe it was a bad connection.
Wait a minute. I don't know. It's fucking working. I don't care. It's just not buzzing.
We don't need buzzers. We
don't
got
need no
phones
fucking
and
buzzers.
timers and shit like that.
Still working. Might leave that cover off just so we have to get to that wire.
Still working.
It's still working.
Okay.
I think.
Well, that's all you gotta do is think once. Once. Turn out the lights, party's over. Beautiful night, got some rain, 4th of July. Not to put out any fires that we tried to start. We didn't get electrocuted. We love y'all. Please like and subscribe.